All right, if you take a look from an angle, you can see these little dimples of, I guess rocks or whatever hitting the car, right? There's a few of them all around. Initially, it's a toy car. I don't normally worry about it, but now I actually want to see what I can do to bring it back to near pristine condition. The question for you is do you fix it yourself? Do you have people do it for you? How much does it usually cost to do that? The cheap trick that I would normally do is to find a separate door, a black door, and I just swap it out, sell this, and then recoup my costs, right? That's the easy approach, but actually I'm looking to doing more detailing outside and inside as well as body repair. So I'd love your input.